Descendants, and we are also going to be doing the hat challenge. We are finally in the condo, and tomorrow we are going to be going to Disney World.
Alright, so let's show them around.
Okay, now let's show them how to play. So you have a bunch of different hats, and you try and put on as many hats as you can before the time runs out.
No, just how many you can get without them falling out.
Yeah.
Or we could do it. Yeah, we could do it timed, but I don't know. Yeah, let's do it timed. 10 seconds.
Oh my god.
Okay, so Lincoln's going first.
Then
Ready, set. No, you have to have them all on the ground. You can't start putting it on.
Okay.
Ready, set, go. 1, 2, Mississippi. 3, Mississippi. 4, Mississippi. 5, Mississippi. 6, Mississippi. 7, Mississippi. 8, Mississippi. 9, Mississippi. 10, Mississippi. Done. Okay, how many did you get?
Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 hats.
Okay, Clara's turn.
Bring him over. Be careful not to get your nail polish on the bed.
Alright.
Because you already got it.
Set, go. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 7 Mississippi, 8 Mississippi, 9 Mississippi, 10 Mississippi.
You only got
5. No, she got 5.
5. You only got 5. So
Okay.
I'm winning.
My turn.
Okay.
Ready,
Set. Go.
1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 7 Mississippi, 8 Mississippi, 9 Mississippi, 10 Mississippi.
Whoa.
Let's see how long you can hold it like this. Okay, down up your hat. 5, 6, 7, 8. Bye guys, hope you enjoy.
Want Brooke to go?
No. Okay guys, so change of plans. Brooke's not going to be doing the hat challenge.
So bye.
Actually, want a condo tour?
Yeah.
So this is our mom and dad's bedroom. We're playing Descendants. Here's their bathroom. They have jets.
Yeah, and one of the back jets, it's sprayed all the way here on the toilet paper.
And then they got a closet. And this is the door to get out.
And then this is our bunk bed.
Clara and Lakin's bunk beds.
I see right
Maybe
there.
Brooks, I don't know.
No, she.
The washing machines.
The bathroom.
Another bathroom. Pretty nice. No jets in this one.
Alright, our kitchen.
Here is the kitchen. They've got everything. They even have a blender, so we might do the smoothie challenge.
Alright, so our living room.
TV,
We'll take
and then the
Mommy,
outdoor. We can't
no.
see anything out here, though.
Let's actually take some out.
We can't see anything out
Still,
there.
let's take
Look at it.
some
It's pitch black.
Just take some out. Alright, sorry if it's black. Sorry.
Yeah, you can totally see it.
Well, you guys can.
There's the pool down there.
Yep. There's 3 pools.
And there's some stuff over there.
And we're trying to find
Disney World. Well, I just saw lightning.
Oh, I want to go in the pool so bad.
There's Brooke. Hi, Brooke. I'm gonna get you! Ow! You just threw a hat at me. Bye! And the victory. Oh.